Hello internet world, and welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel. This is a live broadcast, so I've got a very exciting product to actually show you, and this is something that I really hope will happen in the near future. We've been waiting for a new Mac Pro for a long time from Apple. I'm still currently running a late 2013 Mac Pro, the one that looks like the trash can. That's what's actually running this live broadcast, and it is quite frankly ridiculous that we're still using a late 2013, so that's almost a whole 5-year-old machine for the current top of the crop best Apple Mac, or most highest performing Apple Mac that you can buy. And in fact, it's been superseded, I'll say that again, it's been superseded in performance by the iMac that's sitting behind me here. It's also been superseded in performance by the iMac Pro, and indeed even my MacBook Pro outperforms my professional desktop machine. So Apple need to get their sort of act together and give us a new Mac Pro sooner than the very latest announcements. It's going to be happening sometime in 2019, so we're not even going to see it this year. What I've got here is the design that many of us wish that Apple would actually bring back. We really love that cheese grater design, the big metal box that we could fit in lots of upgrades, and we just wish they would bring it back. And this is the design. So is this the new Mac Pro Mini? I'll leave you for a moment to think about that. Pop it in the live chat. Is this the new? It's very heavy. Oh, is this the new Mac Pro Mini? No, it's not. This isn't the new Mac Pro Mini, but I do wish that they would bring back this design, and I just love this little product from Macally. This in fact is a MacBook Pro Charger from Macally. Brand new on the market. In fact, I think it's only available for pre-order at the moment. A very useful design, and I'm going to give you a closer look at it in a short while, along with the product box, what you get inside the box, and exactly how useful this is. But I do just love how it looks. Before I do so, as always, this is a live broadcast, so the first 4 of you in the live chat will get a shout out. A big hello to Patrick Sullivan. Thank you for tuning in, Patrick. Also to Warwick Sylvester. Hello there, Warwick. Thanks for tuning in. Also to Spin Monkey and the amazing Anaf. Thank you very much for tuning in. You're the first 4, but thank you to everyone who's tuned in for this look at what could be, but isn't, but what could be the new Mac Pro Mini for 2018. Come on, Apple, give us this product. Instead of which, Macally have given us this product, and this is the product packaging. So this is what product packaging looks like. You've also got the product code up here. This is a USB-C charger. So it connects to your MacBook Pro, either the 12-inch MacBook or the 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pro, the ones that have the USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 ports on them. This actually delivers 5 to 20 volt 3 amp output to quickly charge the MacBook or MacBook Pro or other laptop and mobile devices up to 61 watts. So this has got up to a 61 watt output. Really very good indeed. Great packaging as always from Macally. Apart from the charger itself, which I'll show you very quickly in a short while, we do get a power cable. It's a figure 8 adapter on this end, and then you get a country specific plug on this end. At the moment on the Macally website there is a European version and also a UK version. I'm pretty sure you could use this in the USA as well, because it's got that wide voltage range. In fact, let me just check that. I'm pretty sure I said it was 110. I think it's 110, yeah, 100 to 240 volts. So 100 to 240 volts. So as long as you get a country specific figure 8 cable, you should be able to use this in your country. And then the USB cable that actually you use to charge the device has got a really nice design to it. So we've got a USB cable on this end. Let me give you a closer look at that. So we've got a normal USB cable on this end, and then on this end we've got what looks like a normal USB-C connector, but it's actually magnetic. So remember the MagSafe adapter that you got on the previous generation of MacBook Pro, where if you sort of tripped over the wire it would release? Well, this you can actually leave inside your computer. Let me give you a demo of this. My computer here is currently running the live chat, so I've got to do this carefully. So you leave this connected into the side of your computer like so, and then the magnetic part adheres like this, and you can see even under the weight of the cable it's going to give way. It's going to actually let you disconnect your cable. There you go. Look, very, very loose. So even under the weight of the cable. So if this is on a desk or table, it's going to stay connected and charging your laptop, and if you trip over that cable, it's going to release and you're not going to have your laptop flying off the table. And this can just stay attached inside the USB-C port. Let me just get that out. So a really good design. Absolutely love it that it's going to be bringing back the capability of having a really easily detachable cable, and really very, very safe. Nice long cable as well. I would imagine that's around about 1.5 meters in length. That comes supplied inside the box. And then the charger itself, which does look like the Mac Pro Mini. Very, very cool design. Metal casing. So this is metal, this is metal. Little LED light and the Macally branding on one side. Little pickup handles. Oh, because this is so heavy to carry around. And then we've got the input there for that figure 8 power cable. And then on this side here, we have got the USB-C connector for the charging port. 61 watt total output on this. That's going to charge your MacBook Pro or the 12-inch MacBook or another USB-C device really very, very quickly indeed. I just love the design. It's got all of the sort of conformity information and power output information on the bottom there, so you can use it to actually charge other devices, and I just love the design of this. I think it's very, very cool. And the reason I titled the video like this is because I hope Apple see this and really bring back the Mac Pro in this design, the old cheese grater aluminium case design that you could fit all of your upgrades into. Do it, Apple, just do it. So anyway, that is the product I want to show you. Now this is live, so I'm going to take some questions. I've seen you all chiming in the live chat, so thank you very much for tuning in. We have got RPG Andy Gaming saying that's a very small piece, Dave. Also Matthew Wright, would be a great product for students and workers if Apple made one. Imagine if that was the new Mac Mini. Even if it wasn't the Mac Pro Mini, if they made a Mac Mini like this, they could get the technology down that small, without a doubt. It would be absolutely awesome. RPG Andy Gaming, most students won't be able to afford one. I know I am one. Yeah, we've got the Apple price premium, of course, for Apple products, and it does make it expensive, but I think it's worth it. I really do. I love my Apple products. We've also got a question from Andrew Walker, not related to the topic of this video, which we'll come back onto in a very short while. First thoughts on the Fitbit Versa. This is the Fitbit Versa. Look at this. Wow, I really do like it. Now, I've got my full review of this coming up at the weekend. So it's coming up, I think, on Saturday of this week. I've been using it for a couple of days. First thoughts. Let me say that it's not as lightweight and unobtrusive as a Fitbit Charge, for example, or the Fitbit Ultra, which is the very slim Fitbit wristband. So it's obviously not as unobtrusive as that, because it looks like a sports watch. And if you're like me, you wear a traditional watch as well, I feel a lot more comfortable wearing my traditional watch and wearing a fitness tracker rather than what looks like a smartwatch. But that said, and I'm not going to give away the whole content of the review, I'm very impressed with certain aspects of this, not with all aspects of it. There was one or two things that I mentioned in the review that I'm not that impressed with, that I was a little bit disappointed with, because this is the special edition one as well with the cloth strap. But if you want to check out my full opinion and the features and a look at the app and the watch faces and exactly what features the Fitbit Versa actually offers, then please do subscribe to the Geekanoids channel and tune in for that full review, which is going to happen on Saturday of this week. So I hope that gives you a little bit of insight, but as I say, I'm not going to give the game away on the full review, otherwise none of you will watch. Back to this, the MacBook Pro Charger from Macally. Just in closing, if you have got a MacBook 12-inch version or the 13-inch or 15-inch MacBook Pro, rather than buy Apple's own branded charger, I think this is really cool. I think this is a very, very nice design, and more likely than not it will come in at a much more competitive price than buying a replacement charger or even a second charger if you need a second charger from Apple. And Macally products are really well made. I've reviewed Macally products for many years now, and the build quality is very, very good indeed, and their customer support is excellent as well, so I can highly recommend it. Check out the links down below to where you can pick up this for yourself, and thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate all of your questions. If you've got any more comments or questions, please do drop them down below and I'll answer as many as I can. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, and by the way, don't forget to hit that like button. It really does help me out. So thanks very much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and I'll see you all in another video very soon. Bye for now.